welcome back to my channel. It is Sonia here from the Junk Monkey, and in my last vlog I took you guys with me traveling across on the ferries, traveling across the North Atlantic Ocean, and now in this vlog, in my last vlog, we were just hitting the shores of Newfoundland, my home right here. Now I'm in Scie. I've actually made it, so in this vlog I'm excited to share with you guys as I hit the island of Newfoundland, traveled here to my hometown, show you a few things that has happened here in the last few days, and there's more to come. But in this vlog you're gonna see all kinds of fun stuff, including some paint stuff that I've already gotten to do while I am here on the island, and take you to one of my favorite places on the entire planet. All right, enjoy this vlog. I'll see you at the end. Hey guys, and we have reached the island. Look at this, we're pulling in. Pulling in. What a beautiful sight. I took you on my travels as we made our way across the U.S. up to Maine, across Portland Ferry to Nova Scotia, and this is where I'm from. This is Newfoundland. This is called Port-aux-Basques. This is the very first place that the boat, or that you pull into when you come into Newfoundland when you take the ferry. I'm getting ready to go live. We had some rain and we're letting that all go away, and right there is where the fun is about to happen. I've got a set here, some chairs and a table. I'm gonna go ahead and paint and make beautiful. Speaking of beautiful, doesn't my dad grow the most amazing flowers all over here? Absolutely gorgeous. So today I've got like the view, the most amazing view to be able to paint with. Hello, like seriously, Bob Ross, eat your heart out, because I've got the most amazing views today to be able to sit here and paint right here on the deck. Look at all these beautiful flowers. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right, I think the rain has stopped. The sun is coming out, so it's time to go ahead and get going and get the project in place. Put it right here on this tarp. So we are done, and if you saw in our live video, we painted this, so make sure you're following me over at Facebook, so that way you get to see this, but all the other fun stuff that happens. And so now we have this beautiful stormy forest on here. Once it dries, we'll hit it with a little bit of sealer with our banana peel sealer, but just a nice freshened up little set, perfect for the patio. And we did it because I had the help of Juliana and Sadie to make it happen. We were a tag team, my two nieces with me, so go check that out. But now it's all ready for a little flower decoration, and boom, we got it done. Yep. Good job, Juliana.
Thanks.
How cool is that? So Dad, where'd you get this fish?
I put markers out there.
Really? This is an actual goldfish?
Yeah.
And he's just continued to grow and grow and grow.
Yeah.
And now he lives in the pond.
A little bit.
At the bottom of our property. How cool is that? What's his name?
Don't know.
You don't know his name? He needs a name, Juliana.
I know.
What would you name him? What would you call him, Juliana?
I will call him Orangey.
Orangey?
Yeah. Orangey.
That's a good name. I like it. We'll call him Orangey.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys took the quad out.
Yeah.
And Marcus is a crazy driver.
Yeah. If anything, I would be a better driver.
Really?
Yes.
So this is what it's like when you're down at the base of the cove. You can see the Fam Jam over here. Matt is amongst them because he's filming some amazing footage for our YouTube special that we're going to be doing here about this beautiful home province of mine. How awesome is it? Who's ready to come visit? So this is where I spent many of my summers at DIY and stuff I would gather from these beaches. Glass and old pieces of wood and anything I could find, shells, things like that. Hey Jaden!
Hey.
And Marcus and Juliana and Sadie's out there and Logan and Riley and Matt, the nephews and the nieces. Nature is just like a normal playground, isn't it? Everybody can find something to do when they're on the beach. Throw a rock, have fun in the waves, just sit and relax and see what you can find as well, right?
It's pretty close now. It's close over there.
Hey guys, so this is one of the things that I got to do while I was home, was to give an update to Mom's dining room space here. Went from gold brass to I put some black soot up there, used our black soot milk paint for this makeover, and I think it looks pretty darn cool. Pretty cool. Left her with this beautiful sign. It says, "Our family is like branches of a tree. We might grow in different directions, but our roots remain the same." Nice to be back home this week. It's been a few years, so I'm telling her this is my like anniversary gift, you know, gift to her all in one right there. So it was a lot of work. We did her table today, her 4 chairs, and her hutch. To upholster the chairs, I found a new microfiber shower curtain, and I went ahead and cut it up. So for the price of one panel of the shower curtain, I was able to get 4 chairs done. And so supper is made, waiting for Mom and Dad to come home, and she's gonna feel like she has a whole new dining room, so I cannot wait. Bye bye Brownie Frowny, hello Power Paint, hello Junk Monkey Paint, and I think it's looking pretty mighty fine.
Halushki with sausage.
So Matt's in the background. He's saying he made halushki with sausage for supper.
That's gravy.
This is gravy?
Yeah, the dumplings are in the oven.
The dumplings are in the oven? Say what? Oh my gosh. Hello, supper time. So you like it?
Love it!
Yay!
Oh,
all right, Mom just got home from work, so she's gonna go get changed, and then we're gonna enjoy supper here. But yeah, what a difference, right?
What a difference.
I can't wait for you to get your bling bling on the ceiling up there.
Yes, I gotta do the pie. I think
You're gonna think you're gonna paint your pie now?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Whatever you want to do. How fun is that?
Oh my goodness, what a fresh look. Oh my.
Yay. Power paint, right? Gotta love it. All right, she likes it, people. It's a wrap. We're good. So yes, if you haven't figured it out by now, I am having a wonderful time, capital W, here on the island, back here at home, and still having fun. Today, right now, I am standing on the deck of the Outport Museum and Tea Room, and Mom is inside cooking, so my next vlog, I think I'm gonna show you some wonderful traditional Newfoundland favorites, all right? So watch for that vlog coming up, and I'll also take you on a tour inside the Outport Museum and Tea Room and show you what's inside, all the antiques that Dad will not let me paint, but all the beautiful things that he's collected and put together to show Outport life. So check out that vlog. See you on the next one. Thank you guys for subscribing, for liking, and leaving me a comment below. What do you think of where I grew up?